Take a ride in the 2018 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, remote vehicle start, fog lamps. Inside you'll find HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, rear seat entertainment system, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.